She's wide awake.
Yes.
How many weeks old is she now?
3 weeks and 2 days.
Oh man. Full head of hair. And she's been going to the bathroom good?
Yes, sir.
Turned her head good both ways? You haven't noticed any issues
I
with
noticed
that?
a difference after you first adjusted her.
Okay.
Now sometimes she lays her flat, she does curve. When part goes one, top part goes one way, other part goes the other.
Good girl. That's good. Oh, wonderful. That's good.
Oh.
Can you put her up against your chest, Mom?
You can stand right here.
Yeah, right there's fine.
Like this.
Yep, that's perfect. Perfect. This one. And that's going well? Not having any issues?
Yeah, I have a little issues.
With latching or?
Yeah, latching and just producing.
Okay.
Is that should be a concern when she goes this way?
No, that's because of the way she's holding her body right now.
Okay.
It's all positioning. Is she sleeping good? Okay. Alright. She's looking good.
Thank you, Dr. Gray.